Okay, I'm gonna play Amnesia: The Dark Descent, and we're gonna see what happens. I already started playing it up to a certain point, and now I'm gonna stop cheating because cheating's not good. Okay. New mouse. New mouse. Cheap mouse. Away we go. Okay, here we go. That's my name. That's my game. Yeah. Yeah. I'm scared. Oh well. No! Hello, upside down sun man with the crying eye. Okay, so we're going into the machine room. Oh wait, why am I waking up? Wait, stop, don't. Wait, it's not time yet. No, go back, go back, go back. You're not ready, Daniel. You're not ready for this. You're not ready for this, Daniel. You're freaking out. We're gonna go chill out somewhere. Can I just... Okay. Chill out, dude. Head is pounding and hands are shaking. Alright, you're good. Just walk around. You know. You're good. There's a torch. Candles. Candles. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. I didn't stop that shit. Hello, gargoyle. Ooh, penis. Go look it up. What? I came through that door before. Go. You. Just calm down already. You're giving me freaking vertigo. I just want you to chill out, dude. Chill the fuck out. Chill the fuck out. Chill the fuck out. Look at the kid. Look at the kid. I'm on the floor. Calm down. Calm down. Look at the lion. He's calm. See? Look at that. Look at shit. Look at that fucking shit. Go pull on the lever. To the door. Give me the box. Lever. Not working. See? Everything's the way it should be. Not working. Yeah. Look, you're in the box. You're in the box, Daniel. How are you? How are you? Why? What the fuck? Can I... No? Look, all is good. All is fucking good. I wanna make you chill out. There's plenty... Do you wanna, like, cry in the corner? Cry in the corner. I dare you. Cry. Cry. Cry in the corner. Cry. I don't want to deal with you being a pussy little bitch, Daniel. Now's not the time. Now's the time for bravery. It's just goo. Everyday loving goo. And there's just, you know, bloody fountains with pulsing undulating. And the guy who passed out on this bitch's legs. Why can't I grab his face? Look at him, see? He's good. He's enjoying himself. And this is what you should be doing, Daniel. He's enjoying life on bitch legs. While babies... Ah! Fuck! Sorry! Jesus! Jesus! I'm sorry, Goo! I didn't mean to step on you and disturb you. All's good. We're good. Follow me. Are you done? Oh, you still freaking. Oh, the maze. The broken. Can you touch the window? Touch the window. Are you done? Are you done? Can we move on with our lives yet, Daniel? Oh, we can't even go down there. Yeah. Yeah. That's the chance. Let's try out this new mouse. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Squish. Well, what happened to that torso? Squish, squish, squish. Can I jump? Can I jump? Whoa, whoa, whoa! Too big a jump! Too big. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh, We're good. We're good. Thank you, banister. Is it really that heavy? It's a very small torso. Chill out. Okay. Now just piece the pieces. Piece the pieces back together. Look at that beautiful peck. Now the legs have a torso. And he has a bone in his butt. But he's used to the bones in his butt. He can handle it. You can't do it. Are you done freaking out yet? Boob. No, I don't think you're ever gonna stop freaking out, so we're just gonna move on with her. No, fucking have some cool stuff behind this. Nobody else does it! Makili room. Try to help himself for. Oh, whatever. I mean, I forgot to read. Are you freaked out again? It's not even that dark. It's not even. What is your deal? Alright. I guess. Machines in the machine! Wow. What the fuck? Why are you crawling on me? Get off! Get off! Fine, stay on me, faggot. What is that? Light it? I don't know. Let's see. Ooh, shit! Okay, how do I get there? Oh, got it. Thank you. What? What is your deal? We're not even in a dark place. Is it just because I don't know? Stupid settings. Stupid. Go clear the area out there. Go keep guard box. Be a good guard box. You're good. Okay. Alright. Some shit's gonna happen once I read this.
5th of July.
Well, maybe you fucking did it. Maybe you did it. I don't even know who you are. Oh shit. What is this? What is that? What is that? What is that? What is that? Who needs literature? Maps. This is a boring room. Go get him. I twist that? I gotta fix the elevator, Daniel. Wait, where am I? This mouse is very spastic. I don't know. Maybe I should change the settings. Whatever. Gah! Box! Box! Go! 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 Why can't I turn it? Sounds like mouse clicking. Okay. Everything